Hi friends, welcome to my channel Pink Sport. Why did the heartbeat sound play during Roman Reigns' exit on WWE Friday Night SmackDown? WWE Universal Champion Roman Reigns retained his title in the main event of this week's episode of WWE Friday Night SmackDown. But he had some help from the Usos. Before the match got started, Jimmy and Jey Uso attacked Baylor, and that gave Reigns the advantage throughout the match. During the match, Jimmy and Jey were chased away by the Street Profit. After Reigns won and when he walked backstage, fans could hear the sound of a heartbeat and the arena lights briefly turned red. While some fans have speculated that this is a tease for Brock Lesnar, who returned next week in Madison Square Garden, the tease is actually for the return of the Demon character. PW Insider reported last week that the main event for Extreme Rules on 26 September will be Baylor vs Reigns. So unless plans change, it looks like fans will see the return of the Demon on that show. WWE returns to Madison Square Garden next week for Super SmackDown, and they are advertising the return of Lesnar. After the feud with Baylor, it appears that Lesnar will face Reigns soon. Since Crown Jewel brings in more money than WrestleMania, it's possible that the match will take place on that show. It was reported that at one point, the Lesnar vs Reigns match was going to happen in 2023, but plans have changed and Lesnar's return was brought on the fact that WWE had to appease Fox because network executives were not happy that a big offer was not made to keep CM Punk from going to All Elite Wrestling. Crown Jewel could end up with a non-finish to set up a rematch at WrestleMania since as reported earlier this week, The Rock vs Reigns is not expected to happen next year. Friends, what are your thoughts about this? Sound off in the comments below. Friends, if you like my content, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. It will give me appreciation to bring more content for you.